This is number 1A from your homework on page 16. I just wanted to make it clear as to how you find these intervals in 2 dimensions. So the I1 cross I2, this corresponds to the order that we're usually dealing with in terms of x and y. So the I1 comes first, that's going to be x, and this is going to be y. So I've drawn I1 up here. It's the interval from -4 to 0. That's this. And what you can do is you can make a big tube representing that interval, vertical tube. And then the other one is 3, 5. So this is the y interval. So I've drawn that interval on the y-axis. Here's 3 and 5. And then I made a horizontal tube. And so the intersection of those two tubes is the interval in the second dimension, in R2. And here I've got it shaded. So the task for the problem is to decide whether these points are in the interval in 2 dimensions. So these here, these are points, not intervals. So the notation is a little confusing. We have this parentheses with a -4, 0. This is indicating an interval, I1, and this is interval I2, whereas these points are what we traditionally think of when we see parentheses with numbers inside. This is just the point -4, 3. So if you look at the point -4, 3, it occurs right here. There's -4, 3. And so we have to say that x1 is not a member of I1, I2. This symbolism does not belong. It does not belong to. And the reason is because these are open intervals. So we're not including the -4 or the 3. So this point here is on the dotted portion of the rectangle. So it's considered not part of the interval. This is an open interval without its boundary. Okay. 2, 1 here, x2, 2, 1. 2, 1 is clearly not inside. That's all the way over here. So there's no ambiguity there with x2. Okay, I hope that clears some stuff up for people.